Hi everyone. This recording is to sort of go through how I would make a voice thread, and just in case you are interested in doing a voice thread together, I'll even show you how you can save one so that you can edit it together with everyone else. And then as an assignment, I'm going to have you guys watch everyone else's voice thread for the final book presentation, and that watching the voice thread will count as attendance at the final exam. Okay, so I'm going to start with my presentation. I'm going to make a presentation in PowerPoint, although you can also use Canva if you'd like, or anything else where you can save it as a PDF. So I don't know if Google Slides will save as a PDF. I actually haven't used that one, but the point is I'm in PowerPoint right now and I'm saving this document and I'm saving it as a test, right? I'm going to save it under Medical Humanities, and here instead of clicking on PowerPoint, I'm going to click on PDF, right? And that's really important because otherwise PowerPoints look really wonky in VoiceThread. So you definitely want to import them as a PDF, okay? So now I'm done with that, and I guess I'm not going to save it since I just did. That's weird. And so now I'm going to go onto our homepage, and here I am on our homepage, and I'm going to click on, and I'm on here as a student, but it's not quite working for me, so bear with me. I'm going to click on Access VoiceThread for this course, and this is the part that's really weird. I've taught a lot of courses, so it's going to come up with a really long list of courses. Hopefully for you, it would only come up with the voice thread from our class. In any case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on our class. And then here, you're going to have an add your own, right? So you're going to add your own voice thread, and you're going to create a new one. And I'm going to add media from my computer, right? And you can also use a bunch of other things to add media. So if you guys are more creative than I am, or you have more time, you can definitely do that. And here is my test. I'm going to open my test, and I'm going to download that. And it's really short, so it's not going to, take long. And I'm just going to call it test. And here under playback options, this is where you can sort of allow commenters to add slides to this voice thread, allow others to download original media. I think, okay, so it must be a later one that allows you to have someone else edit the voice thread. So I'm just gonna, oh, and you can also pick cover art if you want to upload some cover art, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to save it. Okay? And then you guys know what to do. Once you're here, you can edit it, right? And oh shoot, sorry, that's where we just were. Sorry, I take that back. We can edit each thing, right? Or we can add comments. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make some comments, and you all know how to do this, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing about how to make a comment. Let's say, here, I made a comment. All right. And now I'm all done. So now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to, I think it's VoiceThread details. Nope. I know there was a way to do this. Sorry guys. I'm gonna get out of this, and here I want to say I can go to edit, and under playback options I can allow others to download original media, add slides. Yeah, I guess it was that. So if someone else can add slides, and you can have someone help to edit your voice thread. And then what you do is when you're all done, you can unclick the allow commenters to add slides, right? So now I'm all done. I do this. I share it, right, with the class. Others will be able to view and comment. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry, you all. It took me a while to understand or to remember where it was. So when you're sharing with medical humanities, you can say others can view, comment, and edit. But that's only if you're doing it in groups. Right now, we don't have any groups yet, but I don't think we do. But if you should decide to do it with someone, no worries. You can definitely collaborate online and you guys will get it done. And so now that I'm allowing others to view, comment, and edit, or just view and comment if this is an individual voice thread, I'll just submit and share it with medical humanities. Yeah? And then I will go to assignments. What I'll do is I'll go to assignments and I'll have a link with all the different voice threads or with our course of voice threads so that you can watch them all to complete your assignment. So I hope that's clear. I'm sorry it was a little bit confusing, but I hope that's clear. I hope that makes sense to you. I am open to any questions that you might have about how to make a voice thread and how to get the voice thread onto into our class. And like I said, I'll be talking a lot more about the paper. We're going to be having individual conferences about the book review paper and then about the presentation before the end of the semester. But I wanted you to sort of see how that works, okay? Thanks. You guys have a great night, and I look forward to your comments on my blog posting. Bye.